What if I share that just one spoonful before bed could truly aid in rebuilding your muscles as you sleep? Not a enhancement instead of operation, not a gimmick, science backs it. Wisdom confirms it. And the elderly, yes, even in their 70s, 80s, and beyond, are experiencing something truly extraordinary. If you're interested in aging with strength, with grace, and with purpose, then this is your moment. In the ancient temples of Llewellyn, monks rise before dawn not to chase youth, but to honor vitality. One such monk, Shi Heng Yi, often reminds us, your body is your temple, not because it should be worshipped, but because it should be respected. Yet many seniors today are advised to slow down and accept weakness as a normal part of aging. However, the reality is that muscle loss is not inevitable. You're not fading, you're simply not fueling. Let me share the story of a 78-year-old woman named Helen. After losing her husband, she felt her body declining, legs weak, arms thinner. Doctors labeled it sarcopenia, but Helen refused to give up. She sought out research, consulted a wellness coach, and made one simple change in her nightly routine. A spoonful of whey protein combined with collagen peptides and a little leucine. She drank it every night, calmly and mindfully, about 45 minutes before bed. Something beautiful happened. Within weeks, her balance returned, her energy in the morning soared, and she began gardening again. Not just sitting beside the flowers, but tending to them. She wasn't chasing her youth. She was rebuilding her strength with intention. This magical combination, whey protein and collagen leucine, is now acknowledged by science as a means for muscle rebuilding. Elixia, whey protein nourishes your muscles with the vital amino acids they seek, with leucine acting as the catalyst, the key to muscle recovery. Collagen peptides restore your joints, your tendons, your very structure, and this is based on solid evidence. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveals that older adults who enjoyed this combination before sleep experienced a remarkable 32% boost in muscle protein synthesis. When you add 3 grams of leucine, the muscle-building signal can double overnight. Additionally, for those dealing with joint pain or stiffness, collagen supplementation can enhance mobility and alleviate discomfort in just 12 weeks. Picture this, going to bed and waking up feeling stronger. Here's the precise recipe. 1 scoop 30-40g grass-fed whey protein, 1 scoop collagen peptides, 3g pure leucine powder mixed with unsweetened almond milk or water, and optionally add a pinch of cinnamon or half a banana for enhanced blood sugar balance and melatonin support. Consume 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. That's all, just 1 spoon, 1 change. 1 transformation. Your muscles remain intact, your strength is still within reach, and your vitality is merely dormant, awaiting the perfect nourishment at the right moment. Are you eager to feel robust once more? Are you prepared to regain your energy, your power, your grace? Then take action tonight, not tomorrow. We want to hear from you. What foods are already part of your routine, and which ones are you excited to explore? Share your thoughts below, and let's connect. Let's strengthen our bond together. Thank you for tuning into the Wisdom Spark, where each message is grounded in timeless wisdom and contemporary science. Join us, show your support, and spread the word if you think that growing older should be a celebration of strength rather than a source of sympathy.